Writing mixed numbers as improper fractions. Example number 1, we want to write 3 1/2 as an improper fraction. Now, the way we write a mixed number as an improper fraction is going to take us 2 steps. The first step is we multiply the whole number in the front with the denominator on the bottom. So what we do first is just multiply those two numbers. 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. Now to this number, what we do is we add it, whatever it is, to the top number. And in this case, the top number, or the number in the numerator of the fraction, is 1. So we have 6 plus 1. And then that is all going to be over whatever the denominator is of the fraction. So if we're looking at our fraction, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is a 2. So we're just going to go ahead and write that down on the bottom. So now we have 6 plus 1 over 2. We can go ahead and simplify. 6 plus 1 is going to give us 7, and the denominator stays the same. So 3 1/2 written as an improper fraction is just 7 over 2. Example number 2, we have 2 1/5 and we want to write this as an improper fraction. So step 1 is to go ahead and multiply the whole number with the denominator. And when we multiply that, 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. Step 2 is to add this number by whatever is in the numerator. In this case, it's a 1. So we have 10 plus 1. And now the denominator is just going to be whatever the denominator of our fraction was. In this case, it's a 5. So we're going to go ahead and write that down. And now all we do is just simplify. 10 plus 1 is 11. And the denominator stays the same. It is just 5. So 2 1/5 written as an improper fraction is 11 over 5. Example number 3, we have 6 4/7 and we want to write this as an improper fraction. Step 1, we multiply the whole number with the denominator. So we're going to multiply these two numbers. 6 times 7 is 42. Step 2 is to add the numerator to that number that we just got. So we're going to go ahead and add 4. And our denominator is just going to be whatever the denominator is of our fraction. In this case it's 7, so we just write that down on the bottom. Now we just simplify. 42 plus 4 is 46. And the denominator stays the same. So 6 4/7 written as an improper fraction is 46 over 7.